All right, guys, came out to my G6, put the key in, started it up, and yeah, that right there, that check engine light is on. So let me show you how to fix this. So this is my OBD2 reader, and I'll put a link down below where you can buy one for yourself. But just right underneath the dash here, we can install it. So underneath your dash, you're gonna see a little spot here where this plugs into. So we're gonna plug it in right there, and then we're gonna come back up, turn our ignition on, and then we're gonna grab my cell phone and see what it says. All right, guys, we have the OBD2 plugged into the G6. We have the app. I'm using Car Scanner, and we'll come in here and we'll hit diagnostic trouble codes. And then, yep, we want to do that. And then we'll come down here to read. It's checking. And here's what it comes up with. Status permanent. Now, when I've seen these before, it has been a simple, most of the time you can tighten your gas cap, or in this case, I think we're just going to replace the whole entire gas cap. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's grab ourselves a new fuel cap and let's put it on and let's see if we can fix this situation. All right, so here's our old one. We have a new one, so this here can pop out. Yep, that just pulls on out. Got a new one. There's a link down below if your G6 needs one of these. Same principle, this pops back into here. This goes onto here. We got it in there. Give it a couple taps. Close it up. Let's go see if we can reset that light. We're back in the car. We got our diagnostic here. Come down here and we're just going to say clear codes. And we're going to clear. Then it gives that little information there. Tell it yes. It's connecting. It has cleared it. Hit OK. Now let's come back up to the car. We'll shut it off. Turn it back on. And the light is gone. Nice. All right, guys, see, simple, easy 5-minute job to take off that check engine light when you have one of those codes.